Welcome to the Frontline Fight Against Hunger Information and Registration Workshop for Jones County, Illinois. My name is Annette Ray, and I'll be your contact for today's workshop. Frontline Fight Against Hunger is a 501c3 not-for-profit coalition organized for the sole purpose of providing nutritional assistance to the elderly citizens of the Central Illinois Area on Aging. Questions about the coalition or inquiries regarding volunteering should be directed to myself as the assistant coordinator at 217-554-3232, or you can reach me on my cell phone, 217-662-9789. Frontline is working with the Central Illinois Area on Aging to provide nutritionally balanced meals to the qualifying elderly citizens of Clay, Fayette, Jones, Jefferson, and Marion counties in Illinois. 2/3 of the funding for the program will be provided by the state of Illinois, and the individual counties will contribute 1/3 of the cost of the program. So Frontline Fight Against Hunger and Central Illinois Area on Aging are working together to lower the number of elderly adults that go to bed hungry every night. Our goal is that by providing a 4-course, nutritionally balanced meal each day, our elderly citizens will begin to be healthier and happier. Today we are going to be discussing the Frontline program that will be initiated in Jones County. We're going to get to know one another, find out who our partner counties are, and then learn some surprising statistics. So first, we're gonna all get to know each other a little bit better. Our icebreaker activity is called 10 Things in Common. So let's all divide up into groups of 2. Once you have a partner, we're going to take about 10 minutes for your team to find 10 things you have in common with one another. It could be the number of kids you have, how many girls and how many boys you have. It could be your favorite food or your favorite movie, but it cannot be we are both human. That one won't count. Okay, so let's go. Now let's all come back together and see what all you have found out about one another. So now we'll go around and make introductions. As I said, my name's Annette Ray. I'm the assistant coordinator with the Frontline Fight Against Hunger program. We also have present today Mark Johnson, who is the care coordinator for Clay County. Then also Judy Tippett is here. She's care coordinator for Fayette County. Let's see, Kevin Watson is here as representative from Jones County. Steve Birmingham is present. He's care coordinator for Jefferson County. And Leslie Jones for Marion County, care coordinator. Some of the surprising statistics that I discovered as we started researching this program for this part of Illinois is that 1 in 6 senior adults go to bed hungry every night. To me, that is a shocking number. By 2030, 29 million residents of the state of Illinois will be over 60 years of age. Many of them will not be able to provide adequate meals for themselves. Their quality of life will diminish. Malnutrition and unintentional weight loss contribute to the progressive decline in health, a decline in physical activity, and it increases the mortality of the elderly residents. Our impact of care, we hope, will be successful. We want to fight elder hunger, and our program hopes that by delivering meals which provide balanced nutrition and by providing increased care, we will increase the health and happiness of the elderly in the area. Does anyone have any questions at this point? Okay, we're going to take a break until 11. Restrooms are down the hall and to the right. There are refreshments in the back of the room. Please feel free to get a snack and a drink. Welcome back. I hope everyone was able to visit and get to know one another a little more. We are now going to discuss registration information and the starting date of this program. We're going to talk about where the meals are going to be prepared, and then also there will be some information on participant and family instruction regarding the program. The Central Illinois Area on Aging will be addressing the issue of nutritional needs of the elderly by registering the area's elderly citizens for participation in the Frontline Fight Against Hunger campaign for nutritional assistance for the elderly. The Jones County Health Department will offer one-on-one counseling with the qualifying citizens and their families to determine health and nutrition needs of the participants. Registration will be held July 20th through 24th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. each day in Room 6 of the Health Department, which is located at 456 Rose Road in Morrison, Illinois. The Central Illinois Area on Aging will begin delivery of the nutritionally balanced four-course meals to the elderly of the participating counties beginning August 1st. So Jones County meal deliveries will begin August 1st. At the registration held beginning July 20th, the participants will receive informational packets which will be provided in English and Spanish, and ASL interpreters will be available to provide assistance. So in each of the counties, we've tried to locate restaurants or small hometown cafes that prepare their meals with healthy ingredients. They're very conscientious about nutrition and use as much organic product as they can find in their area. So in Clay County, the Red Cafe will be our participating restaurant. In Fayette County, it will be the Harvest House. Jefferson County will be the local pub. Marion County will be Mike's Place. And here in Jones County, Kevin's Grill will be preparing food for the program. So a little bit of information about the transportation specialist who will be delivering the food. Each driver will be required to have a valid driver's license, and a thorough background check will be made on each applicant for the position. All vehicles will be owned and operated by the transportation specialist, and they must be reliable and be able to be driven in the snow. Each driver will be limited to a 2-hour delivery time so that all food is delivered hot and ready to eat. The pickup locations will be at the location preparing the food. Pickup times will be between 10 and 10:30 for all of the specialists. The delivery locations, of course, will be to our participating residents, and they will be divided among the number of drivers necessary to keep the food within the required temperature range determined by the State Department of Food Safety. We want to make sure that everything gets to our participants in a timely manner. Our delivery protocol, especially during this time with special restrictions in place, our specialist will not be allowed to enter homes, and residents must meet the specialist at their front door. Delivery times will be between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. each Monday through Friday. The impact of COVID-19. All residents of the state of Illinois have been impacted by this virus. The virus has made it even more difficult for the elderly of the state to get to grocery stores, and their nutritional needs have declined even more than before. The state of Illinois and the CDC protocol is that both have mandated that masks be worn at all times when coming into contact with other people for any reason. Because of that, our transportation specialist will not be allowed to enter homes and will maintain a safe distance from the participants of the program. Having a family member present for the meal delivery would be very helpful to our specialist and to your elderly citizen. Any questions at this point from anyone? We'd like to thank each of you for your interest in our very important program. We are grateful to see each of you here and hope that we can provide information as you think of things that you'd like to know regarding the program. Remember that all inquiries with regard to registration and or volunteering should be directed to myself as assistant coordinator. I can be reached at my office, 217-554-3232, or you can call anytime to my cell, which is number 217-662-9789. Also, keep in mind that information can also be obtained at fighthunger.org. And just lastly, I would like to ask that each of you remember, what will you deliver? And we can all deliver kindness, love, hope, friendship, smiles, and especially during this time, nutritious meals. Thank you all for attending.